Are you caught in the cycle of fast fashion? The next time you're shopping for new clothes, you might want to think twice. Your purchases are impacting more than just your credit cards. In the year 2000, the US generated 15 billion pounds of textile waste. Since then, that yearly number has doubled. The EPA estimates that the average American throws away 81 pounds of clothing a year. With some clothing taking up to 200 years to biodegrade, and shoes taking up to 1,000 years, this problem isn't going away anytime soon. But it's not just our landfills that are paying the price. The annual environmental impact of one household's clothing is equivalent to the water in 1,000 bathtubs and the carbon released from driving 6,000 miles. This is not only caused by our buying habits, but also the fact that we don't repair our clothing anymore. For example, 43% of adults under the age of 25 said they would throw away a pair of shoes for something as minor as a missing shoelace. So what can you do to help? You should begin by donating or recycling your old clothing. 95% of textiles could be reused or recycled, but currently, only 15% actually are. You can also adopt a mending mindset. If the average life of clothing were extended by just 3 months, it would reduce carbon, trash, and water use by up to 10% each. To put that another way, each time you repair your jeans rather than replacing them, you save 1,800 gallons of water. And come on, aren't we all better than throwing away a pair of shoes because a lace is missing?